Alright, today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Oliver 50B, as in boy, gravity table. We took this unit completely apart, replaced every bearing, and we also upgraded it a lot. We put a motorized blender on the side here to upgrade it. We also upgraded the discharge catch-all to take these squared rounds. So now you can put a pipe on there, or that clear, flexible pipe to channel the grain discharge. We also equip the units we rebuild with these nice flush mount filters instead of the old box type that tend to get kicked in and punctured. We also equip this unit with these nice ratcheting handles for torque. You can get things tightened down adequately now instead of the old knobs. Just pull out on them there, and they just ratchet over. We also upgrade all of the gravities we rebuild with this nice ratcheting system now. If you've ever ran one of these old ones, there's this wing bolt here, and it's awful hard to get this to go up and down to change the pitch of the deck. Now you just click the ratchet wrench up in there and turn it either way. So much nicer. We also put a standard feed hopper on this unit. This hopper is brand new. We've also upgraded and converted this unit over to VFD controlled shake. So that means you can turn this knob and speed up or slow down the shake of this unit to get it tailored perfectly for your application. This unit has also been upgraded and equipped with these air indicators. These indicate how much air is going up and through the gravity deck. You've got 3 gauges across the face here. We also equipped this unit with this new modern style of deck clamp to hold the deck down and in place. And as I said before, this unit has been completely rebuilt from the ground up. It was taken completely apart, repaired, and rebuilt. All of the bearings have been changed. We also took this deck completely apart and rebuilt it. This deck is as good as new now. The customer who bought this unit needed to do celery seed with it. That's why the mesh on the deck here is so fine. With the filters removed, you can see up inside of the unit. We wanted to make this video to showcase the quality of our rebuilds. We don't just paint what you see, we paint everything on these units. This unit is also equipped with these fan dividers. These uprights in here divide the airflow of the fans, so you don't have any seepage from one fan to the other, thus changing how well this gravity separates. You can see the inside of the unit here. As I said before, we're very thorough with our rebuilds, and we wanted to showcase the quality of our rebuilds. All brand new bearings. You also have the new belt here, so if this belt was ever to break, you can simply put the new one on and keep going and then find a replacement later. Alright, we've connected power to this unit. This unit runs on single phase, 230 volts. Now unfortunately we can't close the box because the cord is in the way here. However, it should work good enough for us to demonstrate the variable speed shake of the gravity deck. We've put the forklift tongue up under one corner to keep the unit from rocking back and forth. Understand that this unit will have much less vibration when it's bolted to a solid floor, preferably concrete. So I'm going to push the run button here. It's going to take off. Now this is a very slow shake speed here. You can see that there. Now to speed that up, all I have to do is just push the up arrow, changes the frequency, thus changing the speed. See that there? Brought it up to 1900. I don't know if that's going to turn up there on the camera, but the digital display does work. It's just the camera. I'll slow it down. changing the frequency, thus changing the speed of the motor. Now you can see here that it's shaking much slower. This allows you to perfectly fine-tune the amount of agitation that goes through your product for the best separation. Push the stop button there. Slowly comes to a halt. Again, when this is bolted to a solid floor, you know, there will be much less vibration throughout the entire machine. So that's it. I'm going to do a walk around of the unit so you can see it from all sides. Just a very thoroughly and nicely rebuilt little unit, ready to run and perform for a very long time.